ॐ श्रीप्रेमचन्द्राय नमः। ॐ श्रीप्रेमचन्द्राय नमः। ॐ श्रीप्रेमचन्द्राय नमः. He is my guru and he is also my mother's own uncle. So he was a spiritual guru and a very highly spiritual person. He has just initiated me into Dattasrai Mantra Diksha in 2012, and since I'm having health problems, so he gave me this diksha, and from that time onwards my connection to Sai Baba has become really very strong and very deep. So this my guru is the India's best water diviner, and he has got award from the government of India as the Gem of India award. He has got in 1996, and after that he has done lot of seva for the poor people, and so that is why he has got that award also. And he was called by the Ambanis to do that oil well for them, and he could know where that oil is there in the earth. So without any equipments, he can say like that. He has that spiritual ability. He is in the spiritual path for nearly 60 years. His guru is Swami Dayananda Saraswati, very famous guru, who is also the guru for PM Modi. So this is my Guru Parampara. I belong to this parampara, and I saw my guru when he passed away in 2020. I saw the him in the sky after few days after his death. I saw him in the sky, and I took this photo, and from that time onwards he has given me that assurance that he is there with me. So he is there with me, and Sai Baba is there with me. So these are the people who are really helping me in all my work, and I'm very much grateful to him to give me the Sai Mantra Diksha, which has changed my life totally. It has changed me, and it has changed my full being itself. And he is the person who has built the Panchamukha Vishnu Ganapati temple in Shirdi because Baba told him to build. So they have built a beautiful Panchamukhi Vishnu Ganapati temple in Shirdi. Those who want to go to Shirdi can visit this temple. It is around 4 kilometers from the Baba's Samadhi Mandir. So all of you can go. It's a beautiful statue. Lot of energy in that place. So I just wanted to just share this with you. This is how I have just entered into the world of Baba. And in 2015, I had the very good fortune to see Baba himself in Shirdi in spirit form. Om Sai Ram.